Hello everyone, I'm Cherie Boydston. Welcome to another 411 News You Can Use from Legacy Community Health. Over the past 4 decades, we have strived to be good stewards of your donation and our organizational finances. Today I want to share with you one of Legacy's new initiatives that will improve the cost effectiveness of the quality care we provide our patients and the greater community. It's called value-based healthcare, the next step in the evolution of healthcare.
Today, the doctors are really driven by volume, right? So they have to see a high number of patients in the fee-for-service world. So it's really transactional. I see a patient, I get paid. Going forward and where the industry is going with value-based care, it is more about the quality of the care that you provide as opposed to just straight volume.
So it's much more of a focus on preventative care, trying to keep patients out of the hospital, out of the ER, not getting injured, not getting sick, things of this nature. So a patient, let's give an example, comes in for a headache. They visit with one of our PCPs, they examine them, they treat the headache, give them medication maybe, say I want to see you again in 2 weeks. Now when we go to value-based care, that doctor can then sit down with the patient and be like, hey, I know you're here for a health care, but I see you haven't had a colonoscopy or breast cancer exam in a number of years. You got a couple of medications that aren't getting adhered to right now. You're still due for a fall risk screening. And I see you were at the ER 4 weeks ago. Let's talk about that.
Legacy is set up to be successful already because we have social workers, we have dietitians, we have all this social determinants of health team. So all the things that are important to help the patient be better, like just the overall outcome of their health. Like I'm not worried about my health if my lights are off, if I'm homeless. So we have to kind of address those things first. And if we do that, then I can now pay attention to my health.
So with that focus on preventative health, that's what we're trying to drive to make sure that the patient stays healthier, gets healthier, and remains in that category. We don't want them having to go to the ER, the hospital, or continue to get sick or deal with falls or things of this nature. It's all about trying to prevent the incidences before they happen.
We're excited about these changes and we hope you are too. Save the date for 2 of Legacy's signature events. The 21st Annual Mint Julep Blast Off on July 16th at the White Oak Music Hall. And don't forget, Frank Billingsley's 13th Annual Golf Classic is scheduled October the 23rd. This time we're expanding to both courses at the Golf Club of Houston for a bigger and better event. Once again, thank you for all your support and all that you do for Legacy. You're really helping us build healthier communities. I'll see you next time.